Hi, welcome to this channel. Welcome in this video about the personal branding shoot. In today's video, I will talk you more about why I think you should do a personal branding shoot. So watch this till the end, let me know what you think about it. If you received any valuable information in this video, please let me know, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Hi, I'm Sylvie, welcome in this video. Like I said in the introduction, today's video is about a personal branding shoot and why I think you should do it. And I know personal branding shoot, it's kind of scary. I truly know that. I mean, my first branding shoot was really scary. My second one was really scary. And even my third one was kind of scary. But I'm so stoked about the benefits for your business. So in today's video I will tell you more about it. The first thing that I want to talk to you about is what is a personal branding shoot. A personal branding shoot, it's a shoot especially for your business. With personal branding, what does we mean with that? We live in an online world, and to stand out with your business, you need to build your personal branding. And why? Because people want to know who you are. Who is the girl or the man that's building that business? Who are you? And building a personal brand is going to help with that. A personal branding shoot is kind of different between photographer to photographer. One photographer may see it's more like portrait shoot, while the other photographer more takes it to your whole business, like you're working, processing stuff. It's really different between photographer and photographer what it exactly is, but the most important thing is it's a photo shoot that you will use for your business. Another thing that's variable between photographer and photographer, it's the amount of pictures that you will get. One photographer will give you maybe 5 pictures and you need to buy the other ones. Another one just give you 20 or 30 or more. It's really depending, and it's really important that you think about it beforehand. What do you need? Do you need 5 pictures? Do you need 10 pictures? Do you want an image library? Search it, and every photographer will or explain it on their website, or maybe when you ask them, they will answer it. Because for a photographer, it's really important to know how much pictures they are going to give you. I have done personal branding shoots in the past. I'm a photographer also, so I am doing personal branding shoots for businesses and for small entrepreneurs. But I want to talk to you about the benefits for a personal branding shoot. And for that, I will take you back to my business. Before Brand to Impress, I had another business photographing children's and weddings and all that stuff, but I never had any pictures of myself. And I remember that when I wanted to post something about me, I had to search so long, and I had to take pictures of years ago that I could share on my business or I could share on my Instagram. So I didn't show myself as often on my socials. I actually never showed myself. When I started Brand to Impress, I was convinced from the benefits of having a personal branding shoot. So I took 3 photographers, we kind of did a brand deal. I took pictures of them, they took pictures of me, and now I have a whole image library that I can use and that I use in my businesses where I need it. So one of the benefits of a personal branding shoot is you're gaining visibility with your audience. And what do I mean with that is, in today's time, we would love to know who is the owner of that business. Who are you? Why should we buy with you? Why do we need to bother? Why do I think to buy with you? So it's really important that you show yourself, and building a personal branding and having a personal branding photo shoot will help with that. It will make you visible with your audience, and if you choose the right photographer for you, the pictures will be so worth, they will so good, and it will be pictures that you would love to use in your business. I'm sure of that. The visibility of you at your audience, it's so important. So that's, I think, one of the most important reasons why you should do a personal branding shoot. And especially when you're creative, like you're a painter or an illustrator, a personal branding shoot can also include pictures while you are painting, or floodlights with all your painting stuff, or all your tools you need. And this can go for every other career or every other business owner. A personal branding shoot is so much more than just pictures of you. It's pictures that represent your whole business, all aspects of it. So you can use it in such a wide variety. You can use it everywhere if you need a picture of your business. On your social media, on your website, on sales pages, even in advertising. So that's a really important benefit of a personal branding shoot. And then the results. Maybe you're thinking about your pictures having taken. You're wondering what the results will be. Maybe you're not sure, or you're kind of insecure about yourself and why you're not. When people take you pictures, like your friends or family, you don't look always good. I mean, I think we all have it in our heads. I had it too. I had it so long. I remember when I did an internship with a photographer, at one day she told me, and now you're going to take your pictures. I was like, what? No, I'm not going to do that. Nope. I don't look good on pictures. I had never taken pictures of myself. And I'm sure you're thinking the same. But think about the results. As a photographer, we know how we should pose you. We know how to make you feel comfortable. And the end results? You are going to love them. I'm sure of that. And the pictures you can use in such a wide variety. Like I told you before, it's on your business, on your socials. You can use it in Instagram, Pinterest, YouTube. You can make YouTube banners of it. You can also use it in advertisement, in printed artworks. You can use it everywhere where you want a visual representing your business. And visual that's you or that's really your business, that's going to make it so much stronger. This is kind of what a personal branding shoot is and why I think you should do it. So if you're debating whether or not you should do it, do it. Please, I'm begging you, let's take your pictures. I'm a strong believer of having your pictures taken, and a personal branding shoot is a first step. Choose the right photographer. I will make another video in this future about the right photographer for your personal branding shoot. But do some research, search photographers you like, search photographers that are nearby, and ask them how they work, how will they do a personal branding shoot, and so on and so on. So do it, because only when you are doing your personal branding shoot, you can show yourself, you can show your business, you can show your face to your audience, and that is the strongest of personal branding shoot. So if you like this video or you received any value in this video, please like the button below, like this video, let me know what you think about it. Have you ever taken your pictures, or what is stopping you? Why didn't you take any pictures for your business, or why didn't you book that personal branding shoot? Let me know below, because I would love to know what you think about it and how you feel about it, because that's so much important, and maybe I can help you in the next video. So bye!